Guys, look how insane. A bomber. Okay, Jesus Christ. Right here, in the middle of nowhere. U.S. Force Base. Ah, that's a U.S. Force Base. Wow. And here in Georgia, Atlanta, how cool was that? Huh? So that plane is a B-29, and that is Dobbins Marietta Retirement Base Force, and they operated the C-130 Hercules that now is will be replaced. It's being replaced and bought by even Americans and in Europe by a Brazilian cargo war airplane, the C-30. Friend of mine helped on the development of that plane. Lucas, you're a badass, man. Embraer and the Brazilian Air Force and military in general, they're badass. Two separate entities, but I'm proud. One of the few things that I'm proud about Brazil, Embraer, that produce the EBs for like American Airlines, Delta, United Airlines, and also the C-30, if I'm not mistaken, is the new cargo plane. So that is what you just saw.